Now let's look at the most amazing feature of the VIP2 chair, the tilt in space feature. But why do we need tilt in space? Well, imagine the ball's a user. You're moving around a lot and it can be a little bit unstable for the user. Sometimes their body may even tend to slide forward a little bit like that. Not very comfortable. So what can we do to avoid this? Well, as we've already said, we have the adjustable armrests that we can adjust to fit their arm. We have the leg rests that we can adjust as well. We have the pelvic belt that we can put into place as well to snug them in. And we also have the seat depth. Remember, we adjusted that as well. But the best feature is the tilt in space feature. How do we activate the tilt in space feature? Very easy. On the left side of the push bar, there's a blue lever. Squeeze the blue lever and with both hands, push down on the push bar and there you have it. Now let's see. Now the user is very firmly in place in the seat. Let's operate the tilt in space feature and see what kind of benefits we have. As we can see, the first thing that's obvious is that the joint and the body angle isn't changing, okay? Also, we're taking a little bit of pressure off the buttock and the hip area as well. Now, if the person wants to relax even more and we want to stretch out the hip joints, we have a recline feature. On the right side of the push bar, there's an orange lever. We can squeeze that and recline the body back even more. Now we can stretch out the hip joints of the user, relaxing the user even more. But the most important feature of this is that the headrest angle stays the same. Okay, so there's no change in the upper body and the headrest angle, and the body's not moving forward. So here we have the tilt in space feature with the recline feature, and this puts the user in the most relaxed position possible. Now let's take a look at our detachable armrest. To remove the armrest from the VIP2, simply flip up the locking lever on the side of the chair, and the armrest comes right out. To put it back in, slip inside, make sure you lock the lever back in. Okay, what is this feature so nice? Together with the swing away leg rest, we can bring the chair close to the beds or where the user is sitting, and it makes for a really easy side transfer. Now let's take a look at the folding process. This is great for transferring users to and from the hospital or wherever you need to go. And look at this, the dimensions. The length is about 80 centimeters and the height about 70, all ready to go.